OEM, stock muffler, stock headers, about 1,000 miles on the bike. Cold start. There are a million videos of the Akrapovic 1250 GS slip-on exhaust install. In my case it was pretty simple. I just had to loosen this again because of this bracket here was in the way of that screw, but pretty easy. And there's a million videos of this slip-on exhaust, but I'm getting the headers which delete the catalytic converter, only legal in places like Montana. So I put this on because I already have it. The header should be here in like a week or two. And here we go, cold start. You got your Akrapovic slip-on exhaust, little carbon fiber heat shield there so you don't burn your pan leg. Cat deleted, non-homologated stainless steel Akrapovic headers. Not legal in California, intended for off-road use only, but in the great state Montana, we don't care about that. Definitely sounds way louder. Rubber's leaking.
It's not too loud that it makes you uncomfortable.
I don't think so either.